mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today my topic is compare the capacity of different objects. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to compare capacity of different objects using non-standard units, that is jugs, glass, cup, etc. And we are going to do one more thing, that is recognize and use the standard metric units of capacity, that is liter and milliliter. So here you can see the capacity. The capacity of a jug holds more liquid than glass. So you can see that. You already know that the glass is smaller than the jug. So here this is our just estimate that the glass is smaller than jug. So the glass will contain less water or juice, anything like which will be less, but the jug will contain more, more liquid in it. So that means that the jug is having more capacity than this glass. So the cup holds less liquid than the bottle. This is another example. So in our daily life, we are going to use different kind of things in which different containers to measure the liquid such as milk, juice, water, etc. But these jugs, bottle, cups and glasses, etc. are not standard unit of measurements. And we measure the capacity as they are different in size and give different results. So that is why we need a specific unit. So for that reason, we do have a kind of metric unit. So the unit of capacity is liter. Okay, liter. It is used to measure large quantities of liquids. To underline the word liquids, because the capacity is basically for liquids, not for any kind of hard things. Okay, so the symbol of liter is small l. Okay, small l. The capacity tells the quantity of liquid that a container can hold. So this is what the capacity is, and it tells us that how much quantity the container basically can hold. Okay, so this is the maximum quantity and not the minimum. Okay, so the maximum quantity is basically the capacity, or we also call it volume somehow. So milliliter is the smaller unit of capacity. It is used to measure smaller quantities of liquid, or we are going to say that 1 liter, 1 small l is equals to 1000 milliliter. M small and L small. Okay, do remember that, because this is really very interesting thing, and from this measurements you are going to get so many other things which will be required in mathematics, right? So let's do some kind of examples. Here this capacity of this bath tub is 20 liter. This jug is 1000 milliliter, means that this is 1 liter. 16 liter of this bucket is going to have a capacity which is 16 liter. And this bottle is 400 milliliter. This cup is 200 milliliter capacity. This juice glass is having 300 milliliter capacity, and what is this? This is water tank. This water tank is having 160 liter capacity. So 1 liter is equals to basically 1000 milliliter. Do remember this. Whenever you are going to remember this, the things will be more easier for you guys. Here I am going to solve one example for you guys, and the example is fill in the blanks. Which blanks? You know this one. You can check the first part over here. The first part, you can see a jug. This jug is 1 liter capacity. It has 1 liter capacity. How many jugs are needed to fill 1 tub of water? Yes, this one. So, well, I told you in my previous slide that this one is 20 liter. So, this bathtub is having how much capacity? 20 liter capacity. So, 1 multiplied by 20. Okay, you are going to measure it, because when we are going to put, how much in this water tub? Yes, 1 liter, 1 liter, 1 liter. 1 multiplied by 20 is 20. So we are going to write 20 jugs over here in this fill in the blanks. Okay, so this bathtub will contain 20 liter of jug, or we are going to put this jug, water of this jug, how many times? 20 times. Okay, so then this tub will be filled according to its full capacity. Okay, so right now the part B is having a juice glass. This juice glass has capacity 300 milliliter, and this jug has 1500 milliliter capacity. So the question is asking how many glasses of juice can be served with one jug of juice. Interesting thing, this is what you already do at your home. Your mothers do it. Okay, so do remember that how many glass can be filled from this jug. This jug is having capacity, which we already know. Your mom must know that. This is 1500 milliliter capacity. Means how many cups and jugs, okay, how many glasses can fill this jug, or you can say in other words, then how many glasses can fill from this jug. Okay, so right now we are going to do interesting thing. We are going to recall 3 times table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, and 3 5s are 15. These 2 zeros will be the same thing, so we are going to cancel them in our mind. So we have to fill. How many times? We are going to fill 5 times. So this jug is going to fill how many glasses? 5 glasses. So we are going to say that 5 glasses are going to be filled from this jug with this specific capacity. Hope the procedure is clear to you now. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.